I'm going to demonstrate how to do a perpendicular bisector. To do this you will need a straight edge and a compass and a sharp pencil and some paper. So I'm going to start by drawing a line, or rather a line segment, on my paper, and I'm going to do the perpendicular bisector of it. So I get my compass and pencil, and the first thing to do is to make sure that I've set my compass so that it goes more than halfway along this line segment. Then I position the pointy end of the compass on the end of the line segment, and I'm going to draw an arc. I'm going to do the same thing from the other end of the line. So I've got two arcs, and the arcs intersect each other, and where they intersect, that's where my perpendicular bisector is going to go. So I'm going to put my pencil where they intersect, slide my ruler up, and put a line straight through. Now that is the perpendicular bisector of my original line segment. And it's perpendicular because it crosses the original line at right angles, and it also splits the original line segment into two parts, each of which is exactly the same length. What I'm now going to do is several of these quite quickly, just so you can watch the whole procedure again. So here I go, I'm going to draw another line segment, set my compass so it's more than halfway, draw my arcs, put my perpendicular bisector straight through. There we are. Here comes another one. There's another line. Compass more than halfway. Arc. Arc. Perpendicular bisector. I've got a map here. It shows two pieces of land with some sea in between, and I want to sail my ship between this narrow channel between this piece of land and this piece of land, so that my ship is on a course where it is always the same distance from port A as it is from port B. Now, to solve this kind of problem I need to use a perpendicular bisector, and I'm going to bisect this line, which I've not drawn on, between port A and port B. So I do exactly what I did just now. I get my compass, I make sure that it's set to more than half of that distance, position the pointy end on one of the ports and draw my arc. Then I'm going to do exactly the same from port A. There's my pair of arcs. Put my pencil where they intersect. And there is my bisector, and that is the course that the ship should follow if it is going to remain an equal distance from port A as it is from port B.